Hey, welcome back everybody. It's Christmas time, and us at the Hussey house, we do Christmas breakfast. One thing in particular is a hash brown casserole that everybody says you got to make that. Today, we're not gonna do a hash brown casserole, we're doing hash brown cakes along with some other goodies. Hey, it's gonna be some good groceries and you will not wanna miss it. So let's go, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right guys, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna start by getting some sausage down. My kids absolutely love these sausage links. Beside of the sausages, we're gonna put down a pack of bacon. Here's a pretty cool tip. Roll your bacon that's packaged like this. Each piece of bacon will come off each other a little bit easier for you. So breakfast at the Hussey house, it is pretty much every dang piece of breakfast meat possible. Today we're condensing it just a little bit, but that main thing is that hash brown casserole. And I'm going to show you how I make the hash brown casserole. So we're going to start off with a package of Simply Potatoes. To this mixture, we're going to add probably about a cup of sour cream. Next, we're going to add some cream of mushroom soup. And to season this up a little bit, we're going to use some of Blackstone's SPG. Let's give this a good mix. Don't mix this up really hard. You just want to kind of fold. The reason why you do that is to not break up your hash browns. You want to try to have those stay intact. If you find your mixture to be a little bit dry, you can always add a little bit more sour cream, or if you have more cream of mushroom soup, you can also add it. You can also use a little bit of heavy whipping cream just to add that little bit of moisture. So it wouldn't be a hash brown casserole without plenty of cheese. We're gonna put about a cup of cheddar cheese. Colby Jack is what I also like to use when I'm making my casserole in the oven, but cheddar will be just fine. All right, coming over to your griddle, y'all, we wanna make sure our bacon is going pretty well, but also try to reserve some of your bacon grease and put it over here so that you can fry your potato cakes in that bacon grease. We're going to use this time to flip our bacon, and let's see where our sausages are. They're looking good. All right, y'all, we're going to get our hash brown casserole cakes down onto the griddle. Our sausages, they're almost done. Our bacon, it's just kind of up here in the top. It's just hanging out. We saved some of our grease from our bacon, and we want to put it right where we're going to put these hash brown casserole cakes. Flavor, all about the flavor. So we're going kind of rustic with these, and we're just going to kind of put a blob down. Now Blackstone makes some pretty cool like egg molds. Feel free if you want to use those to put these on, but it's not necessary. All right, we're going to take some of that bacon grease, y'all. We want to come in, bring it into our hash brown cakes. Our sausages are pretty much done. They just need just a little while. And we're going to take advantage of these, just a cool spot over here. This burner over here is just idling over there, a little bit cooler. Just stick it over there, it'll be nice and warm. All right, after about 3 minutes, y'all, we're going to flip these cakes. And man, oh man, look at that. Boy, that is something to be seen. We're going to cook them for about another 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes on that other side until they're nice and tight. We'll be eating good soon, y'all. All right, so these hash brown cakes, they're almost done. We're gonna put these over here on this left side, my left side. Just kind of hang out over there, stay warm, because we're gonna cook up some eggs. Now, the other thing you wanna make sure is have a nice low temperature griddle. I'm talking 300 degrees, 315 at the max, maybe 325. So I have these two middle burners, I have them off right now. I got this one on, the residual should cook these eggs right nicely. Another thing eggs likes is a lot of butter. If your butter starts to really just go and you start seeing browning of your butter, you know that your griddle top is a little bit too hot and your eggs will probably be brown. Let me know down in the comments, what kind of eggs do you like? Are you a sunny side up, over medium, over easy, scrambled, that kind of thing? Cool story growing up, we called ours over light, and that was basically a flipped egg, not an over easy, to where you actually see the yolk, but you flipped it over on the other side and you cooked it for a little bit. Growing up, that is the way we did our eggs. So another little egg hack here, y'all. You see this like, this clear pocket right here? To make sure this gets cooked thoroughly, come in and break that up. Come around. If you don't do this, your egg likely will not be done. Once your griddle starts to really decrease in heat, you can go ahead and cut your burners back on, but go to a low heat. All right, once you got them nice and broken up around the yolk, just come in with a little bit of salt. I like to come in at the end with the pepper while you're eating it, while it's on the plate. That way you still have that nice presentation of that sunny side up, all right? All right, y'all, our breakfast is done. The eggs, they have set, the whites around the yolk, they have set up. That tells you that they're good to go, all right? So we're gonna get this stuff off and get them onto a plate. Gonna get 2 eggs on this plate. Sausage and the bacon off. Put those onto one of these Blackstone trays. Love these Blackstone trays, by the way. Now, our potato cakes. Put those over here. There's only one thing left to do, y'all, and that's giving this a try. I want to come in with that hash brown casserole cake first. It's the exterior has a crunch to it, interior, very moist. That cream and mushroom soup, so good. The cheese, very creamy. I taste that SPG. It's really, really good. I love some hash browns. I love some Hashbrown casserole. We just marrying them together. Let's see how we did on those eggs though, right? Yeah, buddy. Nice and running. Y'all, that's all I have for you today. I appreciate you sticking around. I appreciate you watching. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll find other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.